It's 12:30 a.m. It's 10% humidity in here, and yeah, my dehumidifier is on full blast. Like, it's humid, but it's not humid. And now it just went up to bring. I don't know if you can hear it. That's like twice as loud as it usually is. I'm just gonna wait till it stops. Do. See, that's the normal sound, and it shouldn't even be on. And why is my face vibrating in this? Whatever. All I know is nothing works right anymore. Someone's fucking out with us. Someone's fucking with our internet. Someone's fucking with our electricity. Someone's just fucking with us. For what?